So what's the next phase of the process? We've got our little kind of warm-up. We're setting the context up, right? We've got the induction phase in terms of the conversion induction we've already been practicing. The next thing is equally important to the whole induction phase. So on the front end, we create the context to make it easy to create trance. And on the back end, we use something called deepeners to make sure they stay within it, right? Has anyone here ever misfired on a so-called rapid or instant induction? Anyone ever done that? Now, let me take a guess as to what most likely has happened. You go sleep, and they'll go, what? Yeah. So for a fraction of a second, their eyes close, they're there, and then they open their eyes up and you look at you and go, didn't work. Would that be roughly what your experience has been? Well, guess what? They were in error. In error, incorrect. They made a mistake, foolhardy, jumped to a conclusion. I'll get my thesaurus out next time. What they've done is, they've dropped into a trance briefly, and because they don't know what to do there, and typically because the hypnotist himself or herself was nervous and didn't maintain whatever happened, they pop right back out again and said it didn't work, which is, of course, a self-suggestion. They're creating a problem for themselves that way. Does that kind of make sense to you guys? So, really, whereas most hypnotists focus on the induction itself, and we'll actually be spending most of our time doing inductions as well, by the way, I want you to realize that the inductions is not really the holy grail of hypnosis. It's what you do before the induction to set up, and what you do after the induction to maintain, that I think are at least equally, if not slightly more important than the induction itself.